Right now there are so many diagnostic tools on the market, it can be overwhelming and really difficult to choose the right one for you, your needs and your vehicle. We've tried and tested hundreds of them and there are a lot of lemons out there, so in this guide we'll help you avoid those lemons and make sure you choose the right scan tool that works for you, your needs, your vehicle and of course your budget. So if you need a tool for a basic airbag or check engine light reset through to a more complex tool for coding and adaptions, then this guide will help you out. So let's get started. We have 5 tools out on show here, and at the end of this video I'll reveal which of these tools I would buy if it was my personal money, knowing what I know about all of these tools. They are the best selling tools at Diagnostic World, so they all have a good reputation and a really good track record. Now starting at this end of the table, we'll work our way from the cheapest through to the most expensive, and you'll generally find that the more expensive the tool, the more features and functions it'll have, but you'll begin to understand that as we go through the video. And if you're still unsure about which tool to go for at the end of the video, then I'll pop the email address in the description below this video. Please do email us and we can recommend something for you and your specific needs and of course your budget. So we're starting at this end. This is the iCarSoft VAWS version 1.0 tool. Now it actually covers VW, Audi, Seat, Skoda, Lamborghini, Bentley and MAN vehicles. Okay, so if you're looking for a tool which kind of is the cheapest tool but also maybe does the most kind of systems within a vehicle, so let's say for example you've got like a check engine light, an ABS light, an airbag light, or you want to diagnose a fault with say something like your suspension or your central locking or your HVAC systems, then this is a good place to start because this covers like generally all of the systems within the vehicle, and it'll allow you to diagnose, reset fault codes, reset warning lights, with the addition of being able to reset the oil service maintenance reset warning lights as well. So this is a really good place to start. It's been a really good seller for a number of years now because it's just very good at what it does for a good price. Okay, I won't talk about prices in this video because I'll pop the links in the description to all of these tools. The prices will be there because the prices are subject to fluctuations, you see. So I don't want to put the price on this video, then it'd be out of date within 2 or 3 weeks time. So that's the version 1.0 tool, which is a really good package. We then move on to the VAWS version 3.0 tool. Now you're probably wondering what has happened to the version 2.0 tool. We just feel that it's a tool which is, although it's not a bad tool, we just feel it's a tool that for the price you pay for it versus the functionality you get out of it, I think there are better tools out there. So for that reason we've completely missed out the version 2.0 tool and went straight to the version 3.0 tool. So this tool will do everything that the version 1.0 tool will do, but the version 3 obviously it covers the same manufacturers, but it does more in the way of service functions. Okay, so we said that this tool only covers the oil service reset. This tool does absolutely pretty much everything. So it'll do suspension calibrations, EGR adaptions, fuel pump priming, transmission adaptions. It does actuation tests. It's a bi-directional, so it'll do component testing, DPF regeneration, electronic parking brake, throttle calibration, battery registration, injector coding, you name it. Okay, so it does a really high amount of service functions, does all of your live data and on a huge range of vehicles. Okay, so this version 3.0 tool has been a really good seller for a number of years now, and we can see why, because it just packs a lot of functionality into a tool for a pretty good price. Okay, so that's the version 3.0 tool. We then move on to the version 4.0 tool. Now, if you watch the 2025 version of this video that we make one every year because tools are changing, systems, vehicles, they're all changing. Well, this wasn't a thing in 2025. It's a brand new tool for 2026. It's the VAWS version 4.0 tool. It covers all of the VAG range again, so VW, Audi, Seat, Skoda, Bentley, Lamborghini and MAN vehicles, but this has a few additions. This has a few additional tricks up its sleeve, let's say. It is more expensive than these two, just by a little bit though, but it has the ability to do Wi-Fi updates. Now you get free updates with all of these tools, but with the version 4.0 you get free Wi-Fi updates, which means you don't need to use cables, wires or plugs, or worry about getting the software onto a PC or a laptop or anything like that. It's all just available on the tool itself. It's a touchscreen tool, so you just do a few taps and you can do the updates really quickly. Okay, so I mentioned it's a touchscreen, it's an intuitive touchscreen, so it's a really good quick tool to use. And not only that though, you can add up to 2 additional free manufacturers. So let's say you've got I don't know, like a VW, Audi, Seat, Skoda, something like that, part of the VAG range. Let's say you've got one of those, but you've also got a Peugeot and you've also got a Mercedes. Well, this tool will allow you to, within just a few clicks, you don't have to register anything, you don't have to go through computers, serial numbers or anything like that. You just, within a few clicks, you just say which software you want, and you can add additional manufacturers. We've done a video on this channel actually of how to do that, so it might be worth searching for on this particular channel. I'll just search YouTube for how to add additional manufacturers to an iCarsor tool. Our video will probably show up there for you. But that's the version 4.0 tool. It's a really good package, and again, it does all of the service functions, all of the systems, live data, and it's bi-directional component testing, you name it, adaptions, calibrations, absolutely everything. So this is a fantastic tool. Now this is the CR Pro Kit. So this is the first tool that we come to, which is a multi-manufacturer tool. It doesn't do as many service functions as these 2 tools, but it does do more manufacturers straight from the box. Okay, so let's say you've got a wide range of different manufacturers, and or maybe you're thinking about the future, you don't necessarily know what kind of vehicles you'll have in 2, 3, 4 years down the line. The CR Pro Kit is a really good all-rounder tool, a general tool that will do all of your systems on all vehicles and some service functions. So it still does do some really good service functions. So it'll do things like oil reset, DPF regeneration, electronic parking brake, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor, battery registration, injector coding, ABS brake bleeding. So it does do like a wide range of service functions that most home DIYers would do. It just doesn't do as many as these 2 tools. Okay, but if you're looking for a tool with a lot of manufacturer coverage straight from the box, then the CR Pro is a really good option. Okay, so then we move on to this tool here, which is the CR Max. Now this tool will do everything that all of these tools will do, built into one powerful unit. Okay, it's a touch screen, it's all done via Wi-Fi, so all of your updates, it's a, like I say, it's a touch screen, it does component testing, it's bi-directional, 2-way systems, it'll do all of your services, your service functions, it'll do all of your systems, so engines, airbags, ABS, more service functions like the service functions that you generally see in the version 3 and the version 4.0 tools. So this kind of takes all of the best features from all of these tools and it puts them into one powerful tool. Okay, now at the start of the video I did say that I would give you my recommendation on what I would personally buy if it was my personal money. If I was only interested in this particular manufacturer, so let's say you had like a VW, Audi, Seat, Skoda, Lamborghini, Bentley or a MAN, the tool I would undoubtedly go for without any question is the version 4.0 tool, simply because it has the most amount of functionality, the most amount of systems, and the ability to add a couple of other manufacturers further down the line or straight away if I wanted to, and it's all done via Wi-Fi, no faffing around with PC cables, laptops, anything like that. It's all done in your hand so long as you've got a Wi-Fi connection, which, let's face it, most of us have. So that's the version 4.0 tool. Now if I wanted a tool that I wanted to keep you up and running straight away with all of the vehicles straight out of the box, undoubtedly the CR Max. This is the Rolls Royce of diagnostic tools at the minute. It packs the most amount of bang for buck for any tools out there, and of course it gives you free lifetime updates. There are other tools out there where you'll pay £100 per year for updates, free updates for life with this tool and all of these tools on the table, in fact. But if there's something that I haven't maybe answered in this particular video, and you wanted a little bit of clarification on which tool is going to be best for your specific vehicle, then please do, I'll put the email address below, please do email us. We can send you our recommendation based on what you are looking to get out of the tool, what your vehicle is, and I'm sure we can find something for you that would fit the bill. But do email us, email address in the description, and I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.